apparently the world's smallest camera. You can watch people through it. Oh my god, the quality is good, dude. Hey, it's S2. Today we have another Aliexpress unboxing with your level 99 Aliexpress buyer. So, what are we doing today? Well, we're going to unbox a camera. It's not just any camera. It's a surveillance camera. And I think the feature that I'm probably most excited about is the fact that you can actually talk through it. So you can use it for pranks and you can watch people through it, which sounds a little creepy, but hey. Let's check it out. Nikki did tell me that this actually has a 4G function. You can really use it anywhere, which is kind of dope. So they actually give you a SIM card, you just connect it. It's like you connect it to your phone and it's like a part of your phone then. You don't need to connect it to Wi-Fi, which means, does that mean I can use it like anywhere, globally? Quite small. I thought that was the adapter for the camera, but I think this is the actual camera. So it's all black. Heavy, but not super heavy. And I think the reason why they made it into a cube is so that you can actually hide it in something, and then all you have is just this front part out, which is actually quite small. And then at the back, it's got buttons. It has your on/off, and then your 4G and DV button. So this has a few accessories. Creepy. So you can store all the images that you've recorded on a USB stick. It actually has a little stand that you can plug it into and then like put it on top if you want to. Has the lead to charge it with, and then I'm not sure what these are. Oh, I think it's for this so that it won't move everywhere. That's pretty cool. The light is blinking. Does that mean it's on? So it's got night vision, which means you can watch people at night if that's something that you enjoy to do. You do need to download an app for this because you control it with your phone. And so we have already downloaded the app and now we're gonna connect it and check it out. 4G camera, and then you click on 4G camera and you actually, there's a barcode at the bottom, the QR code. And you can go ahead and scan the QR code. So that's pretty straightforward. Oh my god, the quality is good, dude.
Is it?
Yeah, look.
Oh wow.
Hello? Hi. Can you say something? No. Just walking around, running around.
But it's not really clear though.
So because she went into a dark room, it's all dark.
It's not that loud.
That is so creepy. She looks like a ghost. Hi, Nikki.
Can you see me though?
Hey, Nikki, can you hear me?
Oh, now I can hear you.
Wow, I can hear you so clearly.
But it's not really clear though.
Your voice is very clear.
It's not that loud.
It's kind of crazy because you're in a dark room, so night mode vision is activated. So for its size, I mean, one, the quality is really impressive. It's actually very clean, but it does lag. As we saw when Nikki was walking around, by the time she got into the room and started talking to me, we couldn't see her. And then it clicked back in. So there is a bit of a lag with this and your phone. Also, weirdly, I could hear Nikki very well. So if I'm, the person recording someone, I can hear them. But if I want to speak through this guy to someone, they couldn't hear me that well. Do you guys think this is something you can actually use? Or do you think it is a fail? And if you do use it, what would you use it for? Make sure you like and subscribe this video. The first 10 people to comment and let us know what they might use this for, you might be receiving one of them. See you later. Bye.